Repairing metals for industrial or everyday use typically requires heating them to a melting point. But thanks to new research from Penn, there is now a method to repair them at room temperature.
We use metal everywhere, right? We use it in vehicles, we use it in buildings, right? So it's pervasive in our technology and in our infrastructure. But if we think about what happens when it breaks, the way we do it today is we heat these metals up and we melt them back up to their melting temperature. But this is really energy intensive. And so if we can invent new ways to heal metal parts, it can reduce the amount of energy that's required to repair. It provides new opportunities for more sophisticated, more autonomous systems. So the metal healing technology that we invented has a really high energy saving, and a big part of that energy saving is the fact that we can heal these metal parts at room temperature. 6 orders of magnitude, so 10 to the 6 times less energy as some other comparable technologies.
The idea initially was that inspiration from a bone. It has pores inside of it, and so we made metal in a porous form. And the other idea is that instead of using blood, now we use electrolyte.
We've developed a polymer coating that we can put on top of this metal so that when we crack it, you see exposed metal. And it signals to this process that this is where you want to heal the bone. And so now what we've done is we've created a metal bridge between these 2 fractured kind of struts. And it acts as if it was just one new continuous strut. So I think there's 2 major ways that we could use this technology. Let's say you break a part, you can then remove that part and very quickly put it into a bath of electrolyte and re-heal that part within a couple hours.
Another possible use would involve embedding the electrolyte into the metal parts themselves, so that an autonomous robot could heal its own broken parts without any human intervention, enabling it to travel into remote locations.
Mars rovers, for example, you can't have human in that environment. If you had a robot that could autonomously heal its arm, instead of being functional for 2-3 years, can be there for 20 years.
Putting these technologies into the Y-Prize type environment, it opens up the access to a lot of ideas, a lot of creativity from the student body that allow us to basically address some of these problems and come up with new ways to really, I think, ultimately make an impact.